Alright guys, so finally it is time for us to go and do our Layeredge proof of humanity. As you all know, immediately after this Layeredge proof of humanity, we are then going to be having the Layeredge mainnet. And during the Layeredge mainnet, that is when the token is going to be getting listed on several top tier exchanges, and from there, that is the time that you cash out from the Layeredge. But one thing stands on the way: if you do not do your Layeredge proof of humanity, you are not going to be getting any airdrop, because you are going to be assumed to be a side bill, or you are going to be flushed out from the real people. So this Layeredge new update that came out today just a couple of hours ago is the only way that you can get the Layeredge airdrop. All right, so on this video guys, I'm going to be teaching you all you need to know about how you can be able to do the Layeredge proof of humanity and be able to verify your own account, so that your own account will be qualified to be credited some airdrop allocations, which you can then sell later and make your money, because that is our main focus for participating on this project called Layeredge. Right, so without wasting time guys, I will be showing you all you need to do right now. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and most importantly, share the video so that every other person out there can also see it and make use of the piece of information that I'm going to be sharing with you guys right here on this video. So I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I make video on how you can be able to make money for free in the crypto space, and I also teach you a lot of things about crypto. All I basically talk about on this channel is all about crypto and how you can earn. All right, so if you're coming across our channel for the first time, please kindly do well to hit that subscription button and also like this video if you find it interesting. And with that being said guys, let's now jump into it. Let me teach you how you can be able to do your Layeredge proof of humanity verification. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is to head over to this website called poh.layeredge.io. So you need to come over here first and connect to your website. Remember, the link to this website is going to be right there on the video description box. Okay, so what I need to do from here is simply go ahead and click on connect wallet. Then I need to select the wallet that I want to connect. I'll be selecting my MetaMask, and one thing to note right here is that the wallet that you are connecting should be the same wallet that you used while we were farming the Layeredge points. All right, so right now I will click on MetaMask right now. Then MetaMask is going to be popping up. I need to click on connect. Okay, I will click on connect like this. Immediately it is going to be connected, and successfully this is where we are. Right now guys, you need to scroll down. You can see you have this message saying you haven't completed the proof of humanity, and over here guys, you are required to actually complete this proof of humanity right here by verifying with your exchange. Over here guys, you need to make use of any exchange that you have done your verification on. For example, you can use Binance and you can use Uber ride verification. I don't really know about this. This is for people that use Uber. And over here guys, we have KuCoin, we have Bybit, we have Coinbase, we have OKX, we have Orbit, we have Git.io, and finally we have this Layeredge on-chain verification. But this on-chain verification, as I said right here, is that it is for people that we are not able to complete any of the given attestation right here above. Okay, so but right now let's proceed and go straight to the point. So over here guys, once you have connected your wallet, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead to your Play Store. Sorry, you come over here to your Play Store, then you download this app called Transgate. You download this app called Transgate and install it. All right, so over here right now, what you need to do is simply come over here right now, then you go ahead and click on any exchange that you want to use for this verification that you have. I want to be using my Binance right now. I will click on verify. Okay, so clicking on verify right now, you can see nothing showed up, so I need to click it again. Okay, until you get this QR code. You need to take a screenshot of this QR code. All right, so take a screenshot, then you need to crop it out so that there will be no interruption while you'll be when you are trying to scan it. Okay, so cropping it out right now, this is what I have. Okay, something like this is okay. Then I have to go ahead and then save the QR code. Okay, right now that I've saved the QR code, what do I need to do next? The next thing I need to do is to open up this app that I just installed. I will click on open. Remember, there are many ways to actually do this verification. You just need to go with the one that works for you. Okay, so right now guys, I need to go ahead and click on this button right here. When I open the app, I will click on this button right now. Then I'm going to need to upload the image that I just saved. That is the QR code that I got from the Layeredge verification board. So right now I will click on upload, then select the image. Right now, guys, I have now selected the image, and right now it is currently uploading. Right now, you can see over here, you are going to have this message right here saying that you are verifying with Binance. Okay, and right now, guys, the next thing you are going to be seeing right here is that you are going to be asked to log into your Binance app. All right, so you are going to be asked to log into your Binance app, and in just a moment, a message is going to be popping up asking you to verify with ZK Pass. Okay, and right now, guys, we have got the message right here saying verify with ZK Pass. I have to click on it, and over here you can see connecting with ZK node. Right now you can see how everything is going right now smoothly. Okay, so right now, guys, let's see what we're gonna be having right here. You can see it is still generating proof, and right now, guys, just bear with me. You can see verifying, and right now, guys, in just a moment we are going to be good to go. All right, so guys, you can see how simple it is. We now have this message saying congratulations, you have proved yourself. So what do you need to go do right now? What you need to do right now is simply go back to the ZK website like this. Okay, and coming back right here, guys, you need to give it a little time to process, and of course, okay, invalid captcha token. Okay, you can see we have this message saying invalid captcha token, meaning that it didn't go through. So right now, what you need to do, just go ahead and click on verify now once again. Okay, so sometimes this may take some time, maybe give it some minutes to go through before you can then proceed with any other thing that is involved. All right, so just you need to be patient and try again maybe after 10 minutes, but once you have gotten to that point, then you are already good to go. All right, so right now, guys, this is what we have right here. I will go ahead and refresh this page to see if the verification has actually gone through. Okay, and right now, guys, you can see our wallet has been reconnected. Oh gosh, okay, you can see right now, guys, the verification has gone through. Guys, this is how simple it is, guys. I'm amazed because this verification went through, because I've actually gone through hell. Like, I've done a lot of things to get this done. All right, so over here right now, I have finally passed this verification, and simply follow the process that I took right now to get your own account verified as well. Okay, so this is how simple it is, guys. And you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section. So if you go ahead to prove some of these other exchanges, the score might even go higher than this. All right, so this is how simple it is, guys, and you have seen how I was able to do it. So right now, going back to this app right now, you can see we have this right here showing Binance, and right now when you click on it, you can see congratulations, your Layeredge proof of humanity is okay, meaning that you have verified this successfully. So this is simply how you go around this, and this is how you verify your own Layeredge account. All right, so remember, this step is very, very important that you take care of it and make sure you do it, because if you don't do it, you may not be able to go through this successfully. So guys, if you have any question from here, let me have it right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to address you. Simply take this process that I've just given you right now, and I'm sure that you are going to be able to get your own accounts verified as well. All right, so right now, this is all for this video, guys, and remember, you can go ahead to verify all these other exchanges if you want to. All right, so this is how simple it is, guys. So if you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, and do not forget to like this video if you find it important or helpful, and also subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next one dropping very, very soon. Remember, I will always keep you updated on all you need to know concerning all the airdrop that I have been introducing to you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next video dropping soon.